Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SAT Math Tutorials. So today we have an equation in front of us, and the question is asking for a constant. A constant is the number in the equation that will not change. So x is a variable, but a constant is like 4 or 9, like a concrete number that doesn't change. So that's a constant. So the problem is this. So the equation that you see in front of you here is 4x squared minus 9 equal parentheses px plus t close parenthesis open parenthesis px minus t. And the question is in the equation above, which is this equation here, right? So in that equation, p and t are constant. So p and t, the number, so p and t, like these, those numbers don't change, right? Are constant. Which of the following could be the value of p? So they want to know what the value of p. So they want to know what p is, and so this is the equation. So for x squared minus 9 equal what you have on the right, and then these are the answer choices. So how to tackle this? So there's a couple ways, but I think the easy way, so now that we know two sides are equal, right? So 4, so the 4 is a constant, the negative 9, the 9 is a constant. So now we try to break the parentheses, so see what's going on here. So you use the distributive property, right? So first you take px times px, and then px times negative t, and then you do t px, and then positive t times negative t. So once you finish, you should have you break the parentheses, so you have 4 components, right? So first px times px, so that's it. Let's go down here. So you have px times px, you have p square x square, right? Because p times p is p square, x times x, that's x square, right? So you have that, and then px times t, so that's p t x, right? So that's a minus, right? And then t times px, that's positive, so positive ptx. And then positive t times negative t, you have negative t squared, right? And then once you have that, you can eliminate those two, right? Because they're identical. So what you have is p square x square minus t square, and you bring what you have on the left side down. You have 4x squared minus 9, right? So you know that these are the constant, that should equal that, and then what's here equals here. So you have 4, you can rewrite 4 into 2 square times x square minus 3 square equals p square x square minus t square, right? So that's how you do this. So the question is asking for the value of p, right? So what do you have for p? So p is this number here, so that's coincide with what you have over here. So p equals 2, and that should be your answer. So A is the answer. So in this equation here, t is 3, and then p is 2, but they're only asking for p, so you know that p is 2. So this is the steps that you can take to solve this. There's another way. You can also break what you have on the left side, right? So on the right side you break the parentheses, but on the right side you can also break what you have on the left side here, right? So in here, we can do it real quick here. So you have 4x squared minus 9. You can always break that out, right? You factor that out. So you have 2, and then 2, and then 3, and then 3, and then x, and then because this is a negative here, because that's a negative, so one of this is positive and one is negative, you can always do that. And these are the components, and the same thing as these, right? So t, again, t is 3, and then p, what you see up top here. So p is, again, if you do it this way, p is also 2. So so they're both way to solve this. The way I see it is to break the parentheses. I think it's easier. Some people cannot see this and break it out. easily. So breaking the parentheses, I think, is a little bit easy. But whatever works for you, you should do it, because SAT exam is a time exam. The faster you solve these problems, the better, because you have more time on the other problems. So that's how you do this. And if you have other suggestions, feel free to put in the comment section. And again, thanks for watching. And if you are going to take the exam, either SAT or ACT anytime soon, then I wish you the best of luck. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.